Today's 2-minute tech tip is a twofer, Google Timer and the Snipping tool. So often in classroom you need a timer, and it might be that you need 5 minutes. So if you just Google 5-minute timer, you'll get one. And you can make it full screen by clicking the little box or clicking the box again to go back and change the time to a 6-minute timer. And then you start again. You'll also notice down here that YouTube has some fancier looking timers that you can play for just about any time that you would want. That's a quick and easy way to get your timer or your stopwatch. Also, we've got the snipping tool. When you need a picture from some location, if you click down here on your Cortana circle and type snip, you will get the snipping tool. And this pops up. Now, in order to use it, you just click on the new, and let's say I want the Google logo. I click up here and draw a box. Once it pops up, I can say edit and copy, or I can say file and save. I'm going to just copy it and go over here to my Google Doc and paste it in with the Control V or right click paste. Once you get that, in my Google Doc I can wrap text. In a Word document, you have a toolbar up here that will allow you to wrap text. Those are two very quick and easy but very useful tools to have in your classroom. Hope you enjoyed today's twofer tech tip.